is just some standard spray paint from Home Depot, nothing special. So this is going to represent extended environmental damage. So rubber plate does not cover vandalism under warranty.
Alright guys, yeah, get it on video.
Go. Again, rubber plate. Paint guard protects against environmental damage, hard water spots, industrial fallout, insects, anything along those lines. So we're going to go ahead and let that dry. Let's do a little fire too.
What in the world did you do? Hey, that's our car.
Oh. Boy, how about you do that?
Oh. Why can't we do this on your own car? Not the showroom car.
Rubber plate. You guys treated this car, right?
I hope so. Maybe it was the other one.
No, I treated it.
Oh.
So we'll go ahead and let that dry. I also treated the windshield on here. Jim, if you want to just grab your rag right there, set it right there, and just let go of it, we'll get it on the windshield. So that's, go on. You guys can actually feel the difference on the windshield, on the two different sides.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So it's got the windshield protection on that side. I didn't treat this side. I'll treat this side before I leave, so they're both.
Good, thank you.
Yeah. So you can actually feel the difference between the two sides. So that's going to put a protective bond on top of the glass. So this is almost dry here. This is some paint renewer, just so I don't scratch the paint as I pull this off.
What was that stuff again?
That's amazing. This is the paint guard.
That comes with the product, right?
What's that?
That comes with the product?
This is something that your customers can purchase. Oh, the paint
Yeah.
renewer. There's kits that customers can buy. I just use it so it doesn't scratch off. You know, it doesn't put any scratches on your
Brand new showroom.
showroom car. So this protects the clear coat, protects the paint.
$1,000 value, absolutely free.
There it is, guys.
Wow. That's it. Is it stained? This? Anything?
Wow, looks pretty.
There you go,
Well,
fellas.
it's a good start to the day to have fun.
Great job.
Thank you, sir.